I'm Mark Carter. Since 1984, I've had a variety of roles in the electronics fabrication and assembly industries, in materials, processes, environmental compliance, and supply chain management activities around the world. Many of us in this industry have recognized the effects that the graying out experience, years of under-replacement of that experience, and the downsizing and offshoring of the industry have had on the growing shortage of skilled people at all levels. Adopting the mantra, think globally, act locally, we felt that it was better to do something useful that was within our grasp now, rather than continue to complain about the problem or spend years waiting for the ultimate comprehensive solution set. In the next few minutes, you'll hear various perspectives on these issues and various approaches.
Here at SMTA, we are working to address local industry needs by partnering with members, industry experts, colleges and universities, and volunteers to open a dialogue, put names to the local issues, and work to form critical connections to help meet those needs.
Hi, my name is Bill Timms. I work as a manufacturer's representative in the state of Ohio. I've been in the industry for about 35 years and have seen a lot of changes in the industry. We graduate in North America right now about 2 million college graduates a year that have baccalaureate degrees, and about 5.9% of that actually have engineering degrees. So what we find is that our industry doesn't need another electrical engineer. And they're not looking for people with degrees from a traditional engineering program. They're looking for people with experience in process engineering. Programs like this that develop process engineers are really important, and our industry should meet that need. There are jobs available today.
I'm Pratish Patel from Electronic Interconnect. One bottleneck for the EMS growth in the USA is the lack of the skilled workforce at every level. There are opportunities for the post-secondary education system to provide trained workforce to the industry, better serve their students with the lucrative employment opportunities, and play a role in a streaming in a tie to the further offshoring the electronic industry.
There are currently colleges and universities who have or are developing programs to meet their local needs, such as Lorain County Community College and Michigan Tech University.
The microelectronic manufacturing degree started at Lorain County Community College in Elyria, Ohio, and was based on the growing technical workforce needs of our local electronic manufacturing industry partners. For the past 8 years, Lorain County Community College has been filling the electronics manufacturing workforce pipeline by allowing our industry partners to tailor the content of our degree curriculum so that we can train students in IPC soldering, SMT manufacturing, and PCB engineering, things that will help our students get jobs.
The program, I guess, in the sense of the overarching program, has been a positive impact. We have continued our third year into this course, reaching out to industry members and then participating within the course, giving lectures, and that's been really positive. The overarching idea is to get industry interaction within the classroom with the students and everything, trying to get them to understand that that's a very positive thing and can make a real impact is critical.
In order to enhance our current programs and help build new applicable workforce industry programs, we need volunteers to get involved at their local levels.
My name is Tom Borkus. I'm the founder of the Jefferson Project. Our mission is to close the engineering gap between academic preparation and industry need, and I urge you to help in the effort to encourage academia to teach engineering wisdom as well as the ability to solve the odd number problems at the end of the chapter.
As we look forward into the technologies that are going to drive our economic growth or economic security, electronics plays a prominent role in that. But for us, the United States, to be able to seize that technology for use here in the United States, as well as to compete globally, we've got to have really good workers at that shop floor level, that technician level, as well as strong engineers that know how to design and work with those emerging technologies in the electronics and microelectronics space. If you're a school, the best way to get those students trained up on where the current state of the art is and where we're going is to bring in your local industry participants that are experts in these fields. Open up your classrooms to them to help close the gap and make that relationship for that student in terms of how they can use this profession to contribute to that, that technical field. And if you're industry, we need you in that space, not only training, but to help provide internship opportunities, apprenticeship programs, and also working with your local community colleges and your local universities on what is needed from an industry requirement. What skills do you need for today and tomorrow in this career field so they can start to make that pivot?
We recognize that there's a strong need in our industry to help close knowledge gaps and provide more hands-on training to prepare students for the workforce. If you know of local programs in your area, we encourage you to get involved. If you are interested but don't know where to start, consider reaching out to us directly.
Whether you choose to join our particular group, form your own group, in addressing the post-secondary electronic technical education gap, support local STEM activities, volunteer within your organization as a mentor for new technical staff, isn't important. What is vitally important for the future of electronic manufacturing in the United States is that those of us in the shrinking experience base get involved to pass along those hard-won skills, and that the educational system provides paths for young people to succeed us.